My name is Princey Juice and I'm here to explore SGD's alignment in James Anthony Construction Company. First of all, let's delve into the world of James Anthony Construction Company. Welcome you all to my presentation. The company was founded by Brisbane brothers Jamie and John Christopherson, and their mission is to create exceptional commercial projects, industrial buildings, and exclusive homes while prioritizing long lasting relationships. Why customer chooses James Anthony Construction Company is that they deliver what they promises and have high quality standard of finishes. Let's move into the alignment of SGDs with James Anthony Construction Company's value chain. The company mainly focuses on four SGDs. First one is SGD8, decent work and economic growth, providing fair wages, safe working conditions, and foster economic growth. Fair wages, that means James Anthony Construction Company compensate workers appropriately for their labor for a number of reasons. First of all, it guarantees that workers can continue to support a respectable level of living and satisfy their basic needs. By boosting consumer spending, this helps the workers individually as well as the stability of the economy as a whole. Since they feel appreciated and valued for their services, workers who receive fair compensation also get motivated and they produce more. The company ensures the safety and well-being of workers, requires a safe and healthy work environment. The physical and emotional well-being of employees is safeguarded by the safe working environments. Next one is, as a construction company, James Anthony contributes to infrastructure development and buildings, thereby supporting economic growth and innovation. James Anthony Construction Company adopted sustainable construction practices such as using recycled materials, minimizing waste generation, and optimizing resource efficiency throughout its value chain. Last one is, the company implemented innovative or green design concepts and enhancing the sustainability performance of existing and new residential and commercial construction. From sourcing raw materials to project delivery, every step in the construction process contributes to the company's overall sustainability impact. Despite being a stalwart in the construction industry with a strong sustainability ethos, the company has yet to adopt STD as a part of its formal sustainability strategies. Green technological innovation, low carbon architectural improvements, and more significant financial growth all work together to reach the goals. The construction sector has a significant role in advancing sustainable development. Construction and building represent 5 to 15% of GDP creation. However, emission of greenhouse gases are further exacerbated by the building industry. For instance, manufacturing cement, steel, plastic, paper, and aluminum accounts for 56% of global CO2 emission. In addition, the building industry accounts for 40% of global energy usage, 40% of solid waste worldwide, 11% of total water use, and nearly 30% of all emission of greenhouse gases. Low carbon architectural development emphasizes the reduction of carbon emission during the construction and operation of buildings. This is done in order to meet the goals of sustainable urban development. The implementation of low carbon architectural practices not only benefits the preservation of natural environment but also the effectiveness and performance of business operations. The construction industry should take the primary role in waste prevention by reducing, recycling, and reusing resources. Climate related risks are considered the biggest future threat facing the world. Low carbon building design is a significant contribution. The building industry is recognized as a significant contributor to CO2 emission because it needs a significant amount of global energy and produces one-third of all emission that causes greenhouse gases. Some of the explanation for the increased CO2 emission rate in the construction industry rise from the operation that are directly related to supplying and transporting building materials. For example, a transportation mixer trucker transport the amount of ready mixed concrete inputted in the manufacturing process about 30 kilometers from the production site to the construction project site. As well, after building service life expires, the material transformed into concrete waste which is carried about 30 kilometers away in a nearly 15-ton truck to a landfill or a recycling facility. Increase the efficiency of material manufacturing process, obtains building materials close to the site to minimize toxic gas from transportation, recycles or repurpose construction materials, and conserves non-renewable building resources. All of them have the potential to dramatically cut CO2 emission, hence limiting global warming and climate change, which can crucial to reaching SDG 13. Gather information and track practices, report and share progress, continuous improvement, industry standards, and benchmarking practices are the SGD impact and best practices. Thank you so much.